Do you like Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, Pirates of the Caribbean? Such classic film music. Are you a small child or a teenager who loves music and who wants to learn more? Come to our orchestra. We will walk you through the music. You get to sing along with us, clap along with us, hopefully one day play along with us with all these fantastic film scores. I'm Meg Storer.
I'm Louise Chappell.
I am Liliana Luongo. This concert is all in aid of Cystinosis Foundation UK.
An educational concert for the family which is going to teach everybody about the instruments in the orchestra using music from really great films.
All about putting on film music and showing film music to kids who wouldn't necessarily have access to it and who wouldn't necessarily be able to see a massive full-blown orchestra.
A lot of Trinity pupils don't get that much experience playing film music, and it's where I want to specialise. So it was my idea, and I asked Louise and Lily if they would join me on the admin team in order to create the orchestra.
I'm the orchestral manager of Cinematic Syncopations Orchestra, so it's my job to essentially organise the concert, organise the people and all information that needs to be distributed between it.
My role was marketing and doing everything to do with promotion for the orchestra. So I put out flyers and posters and designed them, and I've designed the programme and helped organise our school workshops.
So many challenges that came up that I didn't think were going to be an issue.
Communication with outside vendors and the venue.
Promotion is quite difficult as well because I haven't done that before. So being brave about speaking to people and
logistics and communication between 60 people was definitely one of my weaker areas.
And licensing and things like that. There's lots that's required in order for such a large-scale concert, which is very time-consuming.
Physically changing my conducting style to conduct from sectionals to a full orchestra was definitely the most challenging thing.
I've enjoyed most just doing new things, I think, and having the opportunity to be braver about doing things I wouldn't usually do, like all the marketing things I had no idea about before. So
seeing that we've educated and hopefully inspired some kids with what we're going to be doing.
It's my favourite music in the whole entire world, and I have a bunch of smiling musicians who are all my friends playing it. It's just a dream come true.
My role in the concert today, I'm playing first clarinet.
Playing bass clarinet.
I'm conducting.
A little bit nervous, but actually quite excited.
Right now, my job's mostly done with promotion, so I'm feeling okay. I've just got to play along now.
Just getting on and doing it now.
Very, very excited because I have lots of family, lots of friends. The whole of the orchestra are my friends at Trinity, and so I trust them, and it's just going to be a really fun afternoon. Better than I could ever have imagined.
I surpassed my expectations of the audience enjoyment and their reactions and their participations.
I think we all played really well, and we've got a really good audience, and hopefully we raised lots of money for charity, which is the whole point. Quite enjoyed the second half when everyone came back after the interval. That was good.
Because they came back?
I had a nightmare last night that they wouldn't come back.
I think the ending, I don't actually play in the end, so I actually had the opportunity to watch the audience and their reactions and how much the kids were enjoying it and clapping along, and just generally everyone was having a really good time.
Pirates of the Caribbean. It was our finale. We'd got through the whole thing, and I looked at the orchestra and they have never given me bigger smiles, of kind of well done smiles, and we just had the most fun.
Get your venue booked as early as you possibly can.
Be prepared that it's going to be a lot harder than you think it's going to be. Definitely be prepared that anything might arise that challenges you or gets in the way, and try and have a way to deal with it, and keep a cool head.
Once you've got your venue booked, everything kind of flows along, your marketing, everything works.
Do as much prep as you can before you get other people in the whole orchestra involved.
Relieved.
Quite relieved.
Overwhelmed.
Very, very happy that it went as well as it did, and that the months and months and months of work that's gone into it has actually paid off and everyone's enjoyed themselves.
Glad it's over, but pleased, yeah, definitely very pleased. I think it went much better than I was expecting it to, and yeah, I'm thrilled with the number of people that came to support us.
I didn't think we'd get such an amazing turnout. I didn't realise how much people believed in my conducting and my ability to put together an orchestra, and I don't know where Andy is, but I'm really hoping that he enjoyed it.